Anxiety is one of the most common mental health challenges faced by people in today's fast-paced world. From work pressures and social obligations to personal struggles, anxiety can manifest in many forms and affect various aspects of life. While there are multiple strategies to manage anxiety, mindfulness has emerged as one of the most effective tools to cultivate inner calm and resilience. By bringing awareness to the present moment, mindfulness helps reduce stress, break negative thought patterns, and foster emotional balance. In this video, we'll explore how mindfulness can be a powerful tool for overcoming anxiety, the science behind it, and practical techniques you can implement into your daily life to promote mental well-being. What is anxiety? Anxiety is a natural response to stress or perceived threats. It's a normal part of life, but when it becomes overwhelming, persistent, or interferes with daily activities, it may become a more serious issue. Symptoms of anxiety can range from physical signs like a racing heart, shallow breathing, and sweating, to mental signs like constant worry, overthinking, and restlessness. Chronic anxiety can lead to long-term effects such as burnout, depression, and even physical illnesses like high blood pressure or digestive problems. This is why managing anxiety is crucial for both mental and physical health. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the practice of paying deliberate attention to the present moment without judgment. It involves becoming fully aware of your thoughts, emotions, sensations, and environment, allowing you to experience each moment as it is, rather than being caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. When practiced consistently, mindfulness can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase emotional resilience. It helps create a pause between a stimulus and your reaction, allowing you to respond more thoughtfully to life's challenges rather than reacting impulsively or habitually. The link between anxiety and mindfulness. Anxiety often stems from focusing on things outside of our control or worrying about what could go wrong. This rumination, overthinking about future events, creates a cycle of stress and fear that can feel difficult to break. Mindfulness directly counters this by bringing your attention to the present moment. Instead of getting lost in anxious thoughts about future uncertainties, mindfulness encourages you to focus on the now. This shift helps reduce the intensity of anxious thoughts and offers a sense of calm and control. Several scientific studies support the use of mindfulness for anxiety reduction. Mindfulness-based interventions, such as mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, have shown significant benefits in lowering anxiety symptoms, improving mood, and promoting overall mental health. How mindfulness reduces anxiety. Here's how mindfulness can help you overcome anxiety. 1. Breaking the cycle of overthinking. Mindfulness encourages you to observe your thoughts without judgment. Instead of getting caught in the loop of anxious thoughts, you learn to witness them as passing mental events. This awareness reduces the power of negative thinking patterns. 2. Regulating emotions. Mindfulness helps you become more aware of your emotions and respond to them in a balanced way. By acknowledging your feelings without labeling them as good or bad, you can reduce emotional reactivity and prevent feelings of anxiety from escalating. 3. Reducing physical symptoms of anxiety. Mindfulness can have a calming effect on the body by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response. This reduces the physical symptoms of anxiety, such as a racing heart, muscle tension, or shallow breathing. 4. Increasing self-compassion. Anxiety often comes with harsh self-criticism and feelings of inadequacy. Mindfulness encourages self-compassion by teaching you to treat yourself with kindness and patience, especially during difficult moments. 5. Fostering acceptance. A key aspect of mindfulness is accepting what you cannot change. Instead of resisting or fighting anxiety, mindfulness encourages you to accept the present moment as it is, including the anxious feelings. This acceptance reduces the internal struggle, making it easier to cope with anxiety. Mindfulness techniques for managing anxiety. Now that we understand how mindfulness can reduce anxiety, let's explore some specific techniques you can use to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. 1. Mindful breathing. One of the simplest and most effective mindfulness exercises is mindful breathing. This practice involves focusing your attention on the breath, observing each inhale and exhale without trying to control or change it. How to practice. Find a quiet space and sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the breath. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Mindful breathing can help anchor you in the present moment, providing a break from racing thoughts and reducing physical tension. 2. Body scan meditation. The body scan meditation helps you develop greater awareness of physical sensations, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. How to practice. Find a quiet space and lie down in a comfortable position. Starting at your toes, bring your attention to each part of your body, gradually moving up to your head. As you focus on each area, notice any tension, discomfort, or sensations, and simply observe them without judgment. After scanning your whole body, take a few deep breaths and gently open your eyes. This practice helps you reconnect with your body and become more attuned to areas of tension, which can help reduce the physical manifestations of anxiety. 3. Mindful observation. Mindful observation involves paying attention to your surroundings and engaging fully with what you are experiencing in the present moment. How to practice. Choose an object, such as a flower, tree, or even a cup of coffee. Spend a few minutes observing the object in detail. Notice its color, texture, shape, and any other qualities. As thoughts arise, gently bring your focus back to the object. Mindful observation helps break the habit of worry by bringing your focus to something external and non-threatening. 4. Mindful walking. This practice involves focusing your attention on the experience of walking, turning an everyday activity into a mindfulness exercise. How to practice. As you walk, notice the sensation of your feet making contact with the ground. Pay attention to the movement of your body, how your legs lift and move forward. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the physical sensations of walking. Mindful walking is a great way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, particularly if you find it hard to sit still for traditional meditation. 5. Loving kindness meditation, metta. Loving kindness meditation involves directing compassion and goodwill toward yourself and others. This practice can help reduce anxiety by promoting feelings of warmth and connection. How to practice. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin by silently repeating the following phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Next, extend these wishes to others, starting with loved ones and eventually including all beings. Loving kindness meditation helps reduce feelings of isolation, promotes positive emotions, and fosters self-compassion, all of which can reduce anxiety. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. Mindfulness doesn't have to be limited to formal meditation practices. You can weave mindfulness into your daily routine in small, practical ways. Mindful eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Eat slowly and savor each bite, bringing your full awareness to the experience of eating. Mindful listening. When having a conversation, focus on truly listening to the other person without interrupting or planning your response. Give them your full attention. Mindful breaks. Take short mindfulness breaks throughout the day. Pause for a few moments to check in with yourself, notice your breath, and bring awareness to the present moment. By integrating mindfulness into everyday activities, you create opportunities for reducing stress and anxiety while fostering a sense of peace and presence. In conclusion, mindfulness is a powerful tool for overcoming anxiety because it allows you to reconnect with the present moment, break negative thought patterns, and cultivate emotional resilience. By practicing mindfulness techniques such as mindful breathing, body scans, and loving kindness meditation, you can develop a greater sense of calm, clarity, and self-compassion. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving perfection or eliminating anxiety entirely. It's about learning to relate to your thoughts and emotions in a more balanced and accepting way. With consistent practice, mindfulness can help you manage anxiety more effectively and lead a more grounded, fulfilling life. Join our community. Subscribe and like this video and explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.